again. Okay. Oh, that's way better. Yeah. Good. Oops. Pop out feature. That looks pretty good. Turn it off. Too noisy. Okay. Good. Here. A slipstreamer bot later. Mm. Hmm? There it is. Performance mode, so I don't have to see that anymore. I should do that later. There you go. Chat now. Okay. I'm working on my coding for the game. Okay, cool. All right. I'm good now. Get this out of here. Oh, yeah. That looks pretty good. As I watch Pirate Software. Nice. Okay. I'm using a VPN, but it still works pretty well. Stupid Twitch is shutting down in February. Kind of cool. I just started this up and then Twitch decided to shut down. It was too expensive in Korea. Amazing. All right, let's go back to thing. Jumping time. Okay, we're doing jumping time. What was I doing last time? Where was I? I should have added something. That's right. Play real quick. What happens if I do this? Wait, wait, wait. What am I thing? Oh, that doesn't pop up. You can't see the vid game. Oh, that's interesting. Smaller. Put that there like that. All right. So what happens if I do this? Let's stop the game and let's retry it again. Play it again. Will it pop up on my stream? No, it just pops up automatically. That's right. Coding browser. I don't want automatic. I want this one. Done. I guess I don't have to have that on, I guess. Okay, that's fine. I guess it doesn't matter. At least I know what's happening. All right, that's good. Let's see. What was I doing? I'm going to. That's right. I was practicing this function on enemy timer. An enemy timer timeout for enemies, but enemies seem to instantiate. That's right. I had to do it initialize because I didn't do that before, which is this function initialize. I spelled that wrong. Look at from position, start position to player position. y. Random f range pi to 4. Minus pi to 4 to pi to 4. Yep, so I'm using the ODOT documentation in English. 4.1 documentation. Okay. Now I'm going to try to figure out how to do the jumping. Controlling physics interaction. Oh, I'm not adding masks. Mm -hmm. Okay. Layers and masks. Layers define on which physics layer. Okay, an object is. Yep. Mask. Control the layer that a body will listen to and detect. Set the number 1. They all collide with each other. Physics layers are represented by numbers. Get your physics. Go to project. Project settings. And I gotta do. Huh? Sorry, that's what left hand menu. Go to project settings. Go to layer names. 3D physics. Layer names. Not up there. Must be down here. Layer names. 3D physics. Layer names. 3D physics. There we go. Okay. I change the name. Yeah, change the name. All right, layer 1 can be player. Oh, I should probably keep it lowercase just in case. Enemies and environment, I guess. Environment. Environment. Come on. Okay. I don't know if a space would screw anything up. Probably it would. Okay. What does this do? Reset. Okay. Environment. I thought it would be like changes over here. Nope. Okay. Advanced settings. Hey, no, I'm good for that. I'll play with that right now. Let's see what we got next. Okay. Now sun layers and mask. In the main scene, set the ground node. In the main scene, set the ground node. In the main scene, the ground node for me is this one. This is ground. And then I go to collision layer, enemies, environment. I probably should get rid of that, huh? I don't know, maybe. Put that over there. I keep touching the wrong buttons. Alright. If I push shift tab, no, home tab, control tab, control tab. No, doesn't do what I want. Okay, there we go. Cool. Hmm. Let's see. Where are we? Set the ground node. Yeah, okay. I did that. Went to 3. Yep. Ground is a part of the world. Okay, so you know that. Toggle off the first layer. Toggle on the third layer. Toggle off the mask. Oh, I did toggle off the mask? Oh, God. I did not. Okay, turn that off. Alright, cool. We don't need the mask property to still have collisions. Still collide. Okay. Okay. It doesn't need to listen to anything. It just prevents creature from falling. So I don't need that for anything. Okay. And a mob. Okay. Open the player one. Player. Enemy. World. Let's see. Just open up the player. Let's do this one right here. Floor. Okay. Let's see. Mix up the player and mob. Open the player. Okay. Collisions to enemy in the world. Okay. So that's how it works. Mask. Where is it? 2 and 3. Not player to player because there's no other players in there. I don't know. What's layer? It's one layer. It's one layer. I'm going to do mask. That's right. So it interacts with those things. And then I need to do enemy, which is enemy timer, cylinder. Why did I do cylinder? Spawn path. Cylinder must be the enemy, I think. Player, environment, spawn path, spawn location. Is spawn path? Let me see. Let's see. Spawn path, spawn layer. Enemy timer? No? Where's my enemies at? Path? This is spawn path. This is enemy timer. This is player. I don't need player. Ground collision. Directional light. I don't need that. Cylinders. Let me see. Um, player node does that. Mob scene. Open up the mob scene. Enemy jet DD resource. No. Player.gd. No. Enemy.tcn. No. Where do I? Visibility on. Enemy. Aha, here it is. Visibility. No. Collision. There it is. Should be for the player, right? No, that's not right. I want it there. Okay. Okay. Save and close that part. Push play again. Let's see what happens. Okay. Oop. Smack me. Okay, cool. Oops. Play again. I say so. If I play it, and then I can move my little spider around. Okay, what happens if I walk over here? Just fell through the world. That's cool. All right. Very nice. Cool. All right. Mob node. Enemies. Mm. Turn on enemies mask. Ah, so if I use the mask, it'll turn it on. They will collide with each other. Okay, cool. Jumpy time. That's what I wanted. GD script versus the C# script, which I don't want to do right now because I want to add that in there. Cool. Go to player script. Nope. Look at that. I keep falling on the thing. World. Player. Let's see. All right. throw in some jumping. I need some 20. I don't need to put a parenthesis afterward, semicolon afterwards because semicolon afterwards is not C sharp. That's pretty cool. Okay. In the run function, which is this right here, the physics function, the start section, what do I need to add? I need to add an if statement. Okay. Wait, before I do that, make sure. Nope. It's a vertical impulse upon jumping in meters per second. Good. Let's go down here. And that if statement is all inside of here. It is. Okay, good. Let's add another statement here. Yeah. If is jumping. If is oh, if is on floor. If is on floor. If is on ceiling. No. Well, if is on floor. Is on floor and input. And, oh, and input dot is action just pressed. Exactly what I wanted. Is jump. Yep, that's exactly what I wanted. Cool. Sweet. Let's see. Oop, that's right. That target velocity dot y is equal to jump pulse. Jump pulse. Jump impulse. Did I write jump impulse? Yes, that's what I wanted. Jump impulse. Oops. Jump impulse. Save. If I push play, I push the jump button. Jump. 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 Oh yeah, that works. That works well. Okay. What happens if I change it while it's playing right now? Hiya. Change to 40. 410? Yeah, see, that's what happens. What? Like, jump. Whoa! Um, holy. Oh, God. Oh, no. Okay. Let's try 40 this time. Save. Play. Jump. Oh, doubles. Oh, yeah, much better. Oh, yeah, that's good. I like that jump. I wonder if it's... Let's change that. Let's go back to 20. 20. Target jump impulse. Is practice... If, is action just... Actually, do that. And input input dot is action pressed. Jump. Let's remove this one. Can I comment this out? How do I comment out this part? And then this part. Can I do it like this? I can C sharp. No. Damn, I don't know how to, I guess I could just cut it, place it here, and then comment it out there. Okay, now let's save it and see what happens. Is action jumped versus is action just pressed? Sorry, is action pressed? Let's see what happens. So push, push. I can't even move the bug down. Let's try play again. I can't even move my character now. How did push play? Okay. All right, let's go back. Play. Okay, so now I can move again. I can jump over my guys. Okay. So I guess if input that is action pressed jump makes it so I can't do anything. Oh wait. Okay, good. So this will work. Okay, like that. All right, well, that's fine. I guess it doesn't matter. Okay. All right, squashing monsters. Let's see. Oh, in 2D mode, the y-axis goes down, negative. Okay. In 3D mode, it goes up. Yeah, that's what it says. Notice that the y-axis is positive upwards. That's unlike 2D where the y-axis is positive downwards. Okay, so yeah, that's what it is. Y is positive in 3D mode. Let's see. What does it say? That switches to something about my buffering. Okay, let's see. Squashing monsters. That's the squash mechanic. Next, character bounce off monsters and kill them at the same time. We need to detect collisions with the monster to differentiate the collisions before. Groups. Godot's group tagging feature. Open the scene. Mob. TSN. Okay, so for me it's enemy. Okay. Go to nod dog. Okay. Nod doc. Group. There it is. Okay. This is nod has two signals groups, which allows you to assign tags to nodes. Click on it to reveal a field where you can write a tag name. Enter mob in the field and click the add button. Enemy. Add. Assign. So just assign the tags up to which you've already used. Groups, which allows you to assign tags to nodes. Okay. Click on the field, enter knob, done. An icon on the scene dock to indicate icon appears in the scene dock to indicate the node is part of at least one group. Okay, good. Okay. There it is right there. Okay. Enemy. Cool. Head back to the player script to code the squash and bounce impulse versus jump impulse. Okay. top of the script, we need another property. Bounce impulse. Okay. Boom, 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 player. Up here. Comment. Um, adds a bounce mechanic when jumping, when hitting, landing on an enemy. Okay. Add export var bounce impulse is equal to, this has 16 on there, so I'll just do 15. Why not? I don't know what it's going to do. Okay. Oh, we can do another 4 index and range one. Cool. I haven't done this in a while. This is in delta? Okay. Oops. Or, you know what? Does he have any comments for this? Iterate through all the collisions that occurred in this frame. Oh, wow. There's a lot of ifs in here. Okay, cool. For all the collisions that happen in the frame. In this frame? All right, for index and range. Okay. For index and range. For index and range. Get slide collision count. Okay. Get slide collision count. Slide collision count. Alrighty. Get one of the collisions with the player. Okay. So next is get one of the collisions with the player. Is what it says. Okay. Var. Okay. Collisions. Is equal to, I don't know, collision it says. Collision is equal to, get slide collision index. Get slide collision index. Because I put index here. Ground. If collision dot get grounded, get collider. Oh, get collider. Equal to null. I think I need to do, yeah, I thought so. It says continue. Let's see. If the collider's with the mob. Okay. If the player hits a mob enemy. Collider is with a mob. Oh, collider with a mob. Collider hits a mob. Collision dot get collider. And if collision dot get collider is in group mob. Oh, wait, no. Is in group. Is in group. enemy. Enemy. Gotta put the okay. What happens then? Var mob var enemy equals collision dot get collider equals hey equals collision dot get collider index. Is that what it said? No, it's empty. Get collider. There we're hitting it from above. Hashtag. We check if hitting from above. How do you do that? Let's see what it says. If vector 3 dot up dot dot collision got normal is greater than 0.1. Ooh. Okay. If collision vector 3 dot up dot dot um, collision get normal collision dot get normal. Oh my gosh. Get normal is less than 1 0.1 greater than 0.1. Sorry. Greater than 0.1. So squashing and bounce. Alright, so comment says if so we squash and bounce. Bounce. Which is mob.squash. Enemy dot squash. Target velocity y. Target dot velocity dot y. Is that right? That can be right. No, that's right. Underscore. They like to use underscore. That y is equal to bounce impulse. Save. So let's see. Play. So if I jump, 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 jump on it. Come on, you little stinkers. Oh! Invalid call. Non-existent function squash in base. Did I? Okay. There's no squash. I did because I didn't do that part. That's why I shouldn't be playing yet. Okay, gotcha. Broken. All right, that's fine. Close program. Cancel. All right, that's why. Okay, so let's go to here. Go to next thing. It's do that on a function get collision. Get slide collision count and get slide collision both come from the character body 3D in order to move and slide. Okay. Returns the kinematic collision 3D object that holds information about where and how the collision occurred. For example, we use its get collider property to check if we collided with a mob by get it calling is in group on it. Collision.get collider is in group enemy. The method is in group is available on every node. Oh, okay. If we're landing on a monster, we use the vector dot product, vector 3 dot up dot collision get normal is greater than 0.1. The collision normal is a 3D vector that is perpendicular to the plane where the collision occurred. And the dot product allows us to compare it to the up direction. With dot products, when the result is greater than 0, the two vectors at an angle of fewer than 9 degrees are at an angle. A value higher than 0.1 tells us that we are roughly above the monster. Okay, we are calling one undefined function mob.squash. So we have to add that onto the mob class. That's why. Okay, open the mob script. That's okay. Enemy mob is enemy for me. Empty here. And then we gotta go to signal. Where do I put that at? Oh, my laundry is done. I gotta go do laundry. We want to define a signal named squashed, and at the bottom you can add the squash function where we can emit signal squashed. Okay, so probably up here. Signal squashed. Signal squashed. Emitted when the player jumped on the mod. Okay. Do I just put a new function probably? Okay. I guess I can add a new function like this. Function squash. Function squash. Squash.emit. Squash.emit. QA free. Save. Okay. Use this signal to add points to score in the next lesson. With that, you'll be able to kill monsters by jumping on them. You can press F5 to try the game and set up main as your main project. I won't die yet. We'll work on that next part. Okay. Okie dokie. Let's see. Try to play the game right there. Okay. Oh. Oh. I'm bouncing. Just touching it. Bouncing. I don't have to jump on him even. Jumping. Jumping. Okay, cool. They are fast little buggers, I'll tell you that much. I should turn the camera. I should make it so I can turn the camera too. Do that too. I gotta set that up. I gotta switch the camera could focus on wherever I'm looking, focused on. I do that pretty easily. Alright, that's good. They're bouncing at least. The player's not getting killed though, so that's good. But it's even maybe because my enemy Spectre is also not I gotta be right back. I gotta do my laundry. I'll get off of I'll stream then. Alright, that was pretty good so far. I'll figure out more later. Cool. Because Twitch is just end anyway, so it doesn't matter. Where's Streamlabs? There it is. Okay, end stream.